how to put text behind a person in Canva. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to, of course, open our Canva website right here and open the project, which is right here. So once you're now on in your project, the next thing that we need to do is to put or upload the image that you want to use. So you can just go here in the upload section and then just upload the image that you want to use. However, let's try something from the elements. So I'm going to search for a person. So just look for a person right here. So let's click the photos and let's say, for example, that we want to use this image. I'm going to resize this image like this right there. And then once we're now done with this, the next thing that we need to do is to add the text. So just click the text right here, and then you can add a heading, a subheading, or a body text. So I'm just going to click a heading right here. And let's say, for example, that the text that we want to put is example, which is right there. So just make this color white so we can read it. So once you're now done with this, just adjust it like this. And then once you're now done with this, the next thing that we need to do is to click on the image. Now, the next thing that we need to do is to click the edit button right here. And then you will see in under the Magic Studio, just click the arrow, which is right here. And you will see this magic grab. So just click the magic grab right there. And then just click on the person that you want to use. So just click the grab button right there. And then let's wait for it to finish. And then once you do that, as you can see, this is what it looks like. We have now successfully putted a text behind a person. So you can adjust the text right here. You can move this one. So if you want to make it a little bit larger, you can also do that. You can also adjust the person right here. So it's up to you whether you want to put it right here on the right screen, in the middle, or the left screen. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to put text behind a person in Canva.